Hey there guys, Felix Marquez, and in this video I'm going to show you a few alternatives that you can use to Binance if you want to switch from Binance to something else to make money. Now, Binance is a huge player in the crypto market, and I will explain you why. When you would come here to the Binance fees, you would see that Binance fees are real low. So as you can see, it's like 0.10 with maker taker 0.07, and when you use also the affiliate like in the link down below in the description with 5%, it's even less. But what are the actually like competition, which is pretty great? The first one that I prepared for you is the Kraken. Kraken, when you would come here to the fee schedule, you see it here, Kraken Pro, from 0 to 50k, 0.16 taker, 0.26. So Kraken is like good choice that you can use if you want to use some alternative to Binance. So that's the first what you can do. And the second thing is yes, Coinbase. But with the Coinbase, you need to keep in mind that you shouldn't use Coinbase on a Coinbase.com retail version. You should definitely use Coinbase if you want to use it and buy with the Pro Coinbase. The huge advantage about Coinbase is that you can actually make it like the fees are just higher, but it's more simpler to use comparing to Binance. But personally, I wouldn't use that much Coinbase or like Pro Coinbase, because even then, when you come here and you click on portfolios and also then you go to the like where are the fee structure fees, you see right here 0.50. I'm going to move my camera a little bit. 0.50 right here, taker maker. With Binance 0.10, the advantage is not really there. The only advantage, why would I use Coinbase if you want to actually use it for like because the like how easy it is to use it. In that way, I would go with the Coinbase Pro. Now the third one I prepared for you is the Crypto.com. Crypto.com is another one. When you come here, Crypto.com fees, the fee structure is real low. And you see that maker and taker 0.10, 0.16, and like those fees are real low. Like those are good fees. And then you're gonna have like also discounted fees here if you're gonna use the Crypto.com token or coin, or how would I call it if I should call it token or coin. But as you can see, Crypto.com is a great competition and great alternative to the Binance if you want to switch from Binance to something else. So that's something you can definitely invest to. Now another one there is, even compared to the Crypto.com, is a KuCoin. KuCoin.com is a great platform too that you can invest. So that's something you can definitely do too, and that's something. So yeah, if you can have any questions, just keep in mind that I'm happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support, and give you some guidance of what you can do and where you can invest money to. Like I'm in crypto from 2017. I stopped investing after 2018 because it dropped really heavily. But I think it's a great way how we can make money, mainly with Earn. Like I don't know if you know this, like Nexo, Celsius, or BlockFi. Thanks to those platforms, you can earn interest, and also Binance Earn gives you the option to have like fixed interest, etc. But you need to have like a lot of money to get to have a good interest from those accounts. So that's something that I would definitely do and definitely choose if you want to go with the crypto world. Now, to summarize this whole video, what I would do, you can go with the Kraken. They got good fees and good fee structure. Then you can have the Pro Coinbase, and you see the taker and maker 0.50, which is really good, and you can use that. And then you're gonna have also Coinbase, Crypto.com with the fee structure is pretty good too, and they have like real low fees, 0.10, 0.16. I would check it out. And then we're gonna have the KuCoin here. So yeah, if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you and give you some guidance. And yeah, thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.